in mathematics, science, and technology. Equals in mathematics equals, distribution, generalized functions used to formulate solutions of partial differential equations, probability distribution, the probability of a particular values or value range of a variable, cumulative distribution function, in which the probability of a value is a function of that value. Frequency distribution, a list of the values recorded in a sample, inner distribution and outer distribution, in coding theory, distribution, a subset of the tangent bundle of a manifold, distributed parameter system, systems that have an infinite-dimensional state space, distribution of terms, a situation in which all members of a category are accounted for. Distributivity is a property of binary operations that generalizes the distributive law from elementary algebra. Equals in science equals, species distribution, the manner in which a species is spatially arranged, trip distribution, part of the four-step transportation forecasting model. The distribution of a linguistic element is the set of environments in which it occurs, which may be in complementary distribution, contrastive distribution, or free variation with another such element, and which is the basis of distributional semantics. Distribution, the movement of a drug from one location to another within the body. Equals in technology and computer science equals, electric power distribution, the final stage in the delivery of electricity. Distributed generation is the use of technologies to provide electric power at the source of consumption. Electronic brake force distribution, an automotive technology that varies brake force based on prevailing conditions. Distributed computing, the coordinated use of physically distributed computers for tasks or storage. Software distribution, a bundle of a specific software already compiled and configured. Linux distribution, one of several distributions built on the Linux kernel. Distribution, the projection operator in a history monoid, a representation of the histories of concurrent computer processes. Key distribution center, part of a cryptosystem intended to reduce the risks inherent in exchanging keys. Content distribution, publishing and web designers' method to provide information. Digital distribution, publishing media digitally. Distributed production or distributed manufacturing is the fabrication of products by consumers such as with 3D printing. Distribution of elements in the distributed element model of electric circuits, a specific packaging of an operating system containing components such as the kernel, a toolchain, utilities and other software. The most common use in this context is for Linux distributions. In economics, distribution of income or output among individuals or factors of production. Distribution, or place, one of the four elements of marketing mix. Distributionism, an economic ideology. Distribution of wealth, among members in a society. Resource distribution, among geographic entities such as states. Division of property, or equitable distribution, of property between spouses during divorce. Food distribution, methods of transporting food. Good distribution practice, guidelines for distribution of medicines. Other uses, film distributor, an agent between a film producer and an exhibitor. Purse distribution, in a horse race, the distribution of winnings among the highest finishers. Record distribution, process of shipping and promoting record labels. Font distribution, the units in which metal type is sold, containing relative proportions of letters appropriate for a given language. See also, apportionment, means distribution or allotment in proper shares. Distributor, range,